Meaning of ethereal.
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 Ethereal. The word ethereal refers to something that is delicate, airy, or otherworldly. It can also suggest something that is spiritual or not of this physical realm. The term is often used to describe things that have a lightness or beauty that seems almost surreal or too perfect for this world. An example of something that might be described as ethereal would be a beautiful, flowing nightgown made of diaphanous fabric, or a hauntingly beautiful song that seems to transport the listener to another dimension.